Stop throwing away your old brooms. They're worth gold, and almost no one knows their true value. Today, we're going to share with you 2 amazing tips to turn that old broom into something super useful that will surprise you. All right, let's get started. I'm grabbing this old broom and using a serrated knife to cut off the 2 side parts. Just make sure your knife is sharp enough since this part can be a bit tough to cut through. Once you've got the side parts cut, you'll have 3 separate pieces. We're going to set aside the middle part for now, because that's for a special second tip that you don't want to miss. For our first tip, with some sturdy scissors, we're going to cut off the bristles down to about 3 centimeters from the base. I love knowing where you're watching from. Let me know in the comments below so I can give you a shout out in the next video. Today's shout out goes to Winnie from South Africa. Thanks for tuning in. Once all the bristles are trimmed, guess what? You'll have a sturdy scrubbing brush that works just like the new ones from the supermarket, but this one didn't cost a cent. You can use this brush to clean your sneakers, give them that perfect shine, or even scrub those thick fabrics that need some extra love. Now, it's time for the surprise tip. Remember that middle part we saved? We're going to give it a small trim right at the ends of those old bristles to make it look nice and neat. Next, twist the middle part, and voila! We've got ourselves a super compact cleaning tool. I personally love using this for cleaning the toilet, scrubbing the bathroom tiles, and even getting those tough spots in the shower. It works like a charm and saves me from buying sponges or other cleaning tools. Which of these 2 tips did you like the most? Let me know, and maybe I'll show you even more fun hacks with things you'd usually throw away.